ama-organizer. Even yena lobe sikhuluma ngayo manje ukuthi wacelwa ngo-1 o'clock ukuthi sicela i-live location. Makuthi uyafeyila sikhansele singakubamezi nokuthi uyeza.
Yes. I remember that one.
Yeah. Wacelwa so many times. Bonke labangafika bewacela ukuthi send phela. Bafuna nama-deposit okuthinga ama-Viano ngo-March.
Wow. Kunani ngo-March?
Most artists buy cars ngo-March.
Why?
Because now auntie unyaka uyaqala yabo, like no gigs. You're telling people that my life is fine.
Oh.
Yeah, like, yeah, come on. Yeah, without gigs, man, can't no. Don't tell my deposits. Nama, wonke ma answer my balance on end of Feb. Can't do clear and then you buy a car cash.
Oh wow.
Benza njalo musibona notice. No notice na ngoMarch.
Okay. Strategy VV shoot not much.
What a time to be alive in South Africa. Snow Tubani. I saw a comment.
I was racing a cheetah yesterday.
Uzolimala lo mfana loya. Phela umfana uzolimala lo. Uzamuphuma umuntu nabo semsemfe. Baze bambamba.
Yeah, because
we don't do like that. Why would when you were here for the skin?
Shame speech. But it's good. It's nice. I think also his experience of South Africa. We'll figure Esho can be let you know it.
You know what he said? Did you see what he said? What's it? Like ignore the stereotypes.
There's all this lambida.
You know what's genocide and in the statement so what's in market South Africa. The 20 million abanye to travel now was useless because Leo marketing is 20 million. Yeah, last year the Department of Tourism.
For what?
Yeah, for an
advertisement.
Uba man to do the ad.
Speed just came out of his own.
Speed, no.
Just touring.
And like.
And we marketing in South Africa.
I don't know. 47 million people.
Spinning.
Bro.
He's going to go to the spinning. I did not see that.
I shined the curtain on Speed.
No, he did very well.
And to Soweto.
Yo.
Or Hamblisha my influencers. Nota was part of the Entourage Speed. I was like,
Really?
Yeah.
But then
no. Oh, yeah. They can move. Maybe guy one.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Yeah, guy one. But come on, this is Nota, and then he would pass.
Yeah.
Was I'm going to Bruce. But Zawala and Twana also need to speed. You speed out of Gaza. So what if you chuba? But Papa Bruce now save.
His very first meme of the year. They are Steve.
Oh, when you
speed watching him.
Could have saved him there.
Yeah.
Could have saved me.
He was trying to shake his hand. Oh my God. It was like, oh, he move away. It was like,
yo, accept.
There was not a different type of
There's no way you can expect that from Speed. Speed is only ADHD. Speed prevents Hannah's car. And 70 cars Speed. There's no conversation you can have with Speed. Speed is here for himself, bro.
Definitely insane.
yes.
But don't
Lola is here for vibes. And he has 28 days to do all these countries. So Jenny, I'm
so fun session,
Yeah.
man.
How many countries?
Mozambique now.
Yeah, isn't it like? But it was something I saw.
He already left. He's in Mozambique now.
He's doing African, Jay.
Yes.
28 days.
Who's funding him?
He's funding himself. He's got money.
Lola is a huge
YouTuber,
fella. That niggas.
And those niggas are balling.
Shakira Lamborghini in a rap for Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm like, what?
Sina nje masi ngaba serious.
Yo, I no.
No, I get America, but there's web sessions, guys.
Oh,
If we were serious about what we, you know.
The problem is, this is not all we do. You must always remember that. People like speed. That's
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
But it's cats.
They wake up in the morning and they need to remember to YouTube.
Yeah.
They need, you eat lunch, uyakaka, ukabanga YouTube.
Awukuqaka-ke kodwa bakithi.
Ah, so for stream on the toilet.
But I'm just saying, it's all they do.
Okay.
They don't have separate, they live.
And they make serious money.
You know, obviously you will make
Yes,
serious
serious
money if
profit.
this is all we, not if this is all we woke up for in the morning. Sitting at a machine, alright guys, no.
I'm sure my episodes are about 1,000 something.
Exactly, we would have more than enough episodes.
Manje ayikakhona.
Sigcina ngakhi vele? Usigcine
Yes,
uku-upload.
Zach. I said it's like,
Yeah, I
but
don't know.
But I'm sure 50 something.
Yeah, first Sunday of the year. Yeah.
I know 50 something.
40.
50.
But we tried, guys. Okay, well, remember
I
now,
think I'm not sure.
How many Sundays do we have in a year?
52.
52.
Well, there's 52 weeks in a year.
And don't tell me so it's wrong, because I'm such
That's
a
what
boy.
I'm okay.
Okay, then let's do all Sundays and have 52 episodes.
Yeah, and then
Hey,
we take
yeah.
away the fact that you have a family and you have things to do on Sunday. We take away the fact that you are actually tired because of your other job. See what I mean?
I am paying for
Yeah, this is all they do. So it's very easy for them to just
Yeah.
make money and bowl from YouTube. Unfortunately, Tina, we don't have that luxury. You know?
Ngilinde ismelt.
You guys, white people are
I think
crazy.
it's not this was smelt.
Not South African white people. Because
I don't get it.
What are
Yeah.
you trying to say?
okay, let me say, but Gunabantu, what do you call this thing? Extreme, if you are extreme in your religion, what do you call this? Religion extremists.
Okay.
Those people.
How extreme would the no
Something like
We understand.
Yeah, bro. like I always thought us as black people we have real problems, but I was watching this documentary that happened last year. These guys, I don't know. Abantwana kanti ababonza abantwana yini. No kidnap abantwana. This cult shit, cult like it's something we don't have, bruh.
Gonna do white people things.
We don't have that thing. I don't know how do they feel holier than thou.
Yeah,
When they do such things. Yes, can rupees
yeah.
besides not even human trafficking, but loguti,
Yeah, but recruiter, it's not
we
even
are a recruiter. They send them to different countries to do whatever Christianity duties, and then come back and they live a certain life. I want you to say a desert. Like we want to be secluded and live in the farms. The life it's nice to own a farm. Now, man, South Africans are busy. They own farms. They're busy. Yeah, then internet life. Let's go further. That's why I got to that's my chat. The way they saw evil, they even convinced us to want their life, while our lives are better. As well as location, we can drink.
Better hope let us call Paul.
I'm telling you what
Kodwa isuke lisiphola nawo phezulu.
Ngiyacabanga for sure manje awekho amanzi nasesigodla phela
Oh
mangoba
wow.
ngicabanga khona.
le manzi abantu
Ngiyabuza.
mani ichaza abantu aba-evil ngeke uthi ubone ukuthi into yakuhlula uqhubeke uhlula ugesi uhlula umgwaqo uhlula amanzi uhlula ilife yakho uhlula isavana uhlula yonke into mfethu everywhere uyahlula kodwa uthi wena ngibambile le position ngiyasebenza mina ngisebenzela umphakathi
Yimani thina esigolephola
Sinawo amanzi.
kuningi ngisho ungahamba lapha esigolephola
ukwenza njani
esigolephola kuhamba izinto eziningi.
yazi
Ugesi
kamla hamba ngesizulu liqala ukuthini like it's a very respectful way of saying yathakatha Manje mawuthi mawuthi yathakatha wathi uyahamba so akusezwa ukuthi
Kwenzani esikoleni?
bayahamba ugogola.
Hayi kodwa into esiyaziyo nje ukuthi isikole makuthiwa nje ne-strike.
Fana nasemakhatheni.
Siyayibamba. Isikole siyayibamba siyayimela futhi lento yayo.
Sizoyibamba phela.
No,
And
It used to be like that, yeah. It used to be like that. No.
Let me tell you this. Akwenze kumachasha
Bathi thina Transnet bonke laba bahlupha ngiyabazi. Bonke laba bahlupha bonke baka Transnet, baka masipala. Usenza bonke isikopolo. Mawusebenza uqashile.
Akwenzeki.
Wazi isikopolo nje.
Let me tell you. Makusebenza akwenzeki usikopolo ngathathwa. Baphatha ushona job.
Kodwa isikopolo sakuchaka kudala lapho sinekuthola ngaso.
Yayimento yayo indawo leyo. Yayimela.
Uphakani nje basaphosa.
Mawuthi wena uhlala esikopolo na uSpan uqashile. It's a fact. And lawa abakhulele khona laba bahlupha kudala basahlala futhi isikopolo. They've moved out to qala indawo zabo na laba selabazukulu bokwakhe balibele utshwala namantombazana mo. And uyasebenza ke kwakhe. No, not because unenkani, kwakhe uhlaniphile and he's lucky. He's blessed.
Yeah, it's blessed.
That's for isikole la. Sakhulumela individual
Hayi
person.
Yeah, besareferensa ngayo. Wena washo ignore kamnandi kodwa ngale.
Anyanisi nje bawusathe. They are satay.
Ay, boom, tomdala.
I'm telling you, they are satay. They're just making it brown.
Oh, it smells nice.
So, Vela, I guess, well, fuck out of here.
We didn't need
Welcome to the
any
new
intro,
year,
man.
y'all. Sikona. Still doing this. Walile. Usafuna simncenge. Even in 2026.
We are still doing it. Zile is doing the intro. Relax, guys. Relax, guys. But then, no, guys, I think I'm going to study at school and catch up and everything before I, we formally get into it,
We've literally done the whole show.
Nah, we're still going. Oh boy, no MC book for them Zimbabwe, young into name down.
Young Polishe manje
That is criminal.
We are GPV.
Don't go back. GPV.
Polishe msaka
Young to GPV.
No, but all in all, guys, I think we had, I don't know, maybe I didn't hear a lot, but from what I've felt and heard, we didn't have as much of a violent festive season.
Bro, it wasn't.
It wasn't.
I took somebody.
I wasn't here. I haven't heard.
I was here.
No.
You can take someone. I was here. You guys were wherever you were. You come up page.
Hey, I call a friend under. You're not catching my catch.
So yeah, but we took somebody to a casualty 25 years ago Christmas.
It's always the case.
No. Listen, Peixe. My Peixingo. Listen.
But good though.
Yeah, you did. You must know when I'm teasing you, I'm jealous. And when I'm jealous, it means you. So I'm never jealous of stupid shit. I can never be jealous of that nigga who was performing and nobody was moving. No.
Yeah, Lapo, he was moving a stage.
Come on, Abana.
No, but carry on.
So yeah, I want my pack. But the atmosphere casualty, it was empty. May 25. That was a surprise.
No.
The casualty, honestly, because it's either they kill you or they leave you alone. Yeah, we are extremists like that. We do everything extreme. You die or you live. That's it. But we don't come out safe. Just that I want to Kwazani, my accident I was saying that my police were very stubborn. They were very
visible.
They were like,
oh, nice.
Try us. Not this time.
Shout out to the new station commander there, I guess.
Blessing has not even no news.
Yeah, there's
a new station commander.
Yeah, there's a new
Why man is new commander? Nezilokishini abashila song ukuthi semusiphethe new station commander. Yeah, because it's Teleo. What I'm
I
saying.
didn't even know that, but well, shout out to him.
Hey.
Or her. Oh, shout out to her.
Is a hair.
Ganti. We can't
Naye
block
basishitela binaye.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm glad, Vele. It's her. Mandela.
Amanda.
Kahlenbo. I'm all for women.
Azo amaphoyisa thunywa umahlala.
She's awesome.
Mina ngibonile nje ukuthi
Xhosa language is very funny. So kwamdelelani language yakhe. Noma bangathanda ukubona abantu babile ku queue. So ufuna ngathi ngaba la.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
what we
Yeah.
need.
So she's like that.
I'm you satisfied lapha like
No, pack. Whoa.
Sense umuntu oyi-1.
Back sizwe sonke and ngicabanga ukuthi yimi engizocorrect masinyane. Thina we want to be satisfied. Must you certified. When I tell you you're satisfied.
Ikusuzalo.
Yes. So mina ngithi we want to be satisfied with certification. I'm like we want to certify, yes. But
boy now.
senyasho nje
Bese preacher ke manje.
Alright.
Sorry, qhubeka.
Yeah, yena shem ula. And ma ngabe uyovula icase ma ngabe khona. Because I think it was the time I break into my house.
Yeah.
exactly kuphelinyaka police station. Oh, but this
I barely
It's a lie.
always.
It's a lie. I only went twice last year. Only
I've
twice.
never been. I don't even know how to open the case.
Wow.
I'm so confused.
It's very simple. You just tell them what benzene.
You would know.
Fuck you.
Done it so many times.
I have the
I'm sorry, Zakile uthi hayi bathi uzocertify wayazazi uzovula uzomjwayela kabi.
Yazi man manikhuluma ngale ukuthi ihleza e-police station endini ahleka kuba ijokini yazi kimi kufika in memory yabani
Yabona.
like there was an accident gag someone got hurt wafonela mina wathi yini najabula yini nina ngale yenzakalile was like wow angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni
Who's not lost?
I think we all.
no kwenzakaleni
No, I'm not
there was
lost.
an accident gag
Yeah, obviously he would know, but you're telling us.
telling us and
You
you
know.
know.
Tell us.
Nothing ngiyasho there was an incident
There was an incident.
yebo
And then what?
bamngenela he left someone there bamngenela and like and umngenela kule viki lelo I think besiya Stadium
I'm dumb.
Stadium.
I am dumb. I'm dumb because I don't care what you're saying.
I'm so slow.
I'm so slow. Like I'm no.
I guess you
Ingane podlela shem namhlanje. No way. Oh, I didn't show.
Oh wow.
No, it's totally unrelated to the story. I don't know.
No. You are drunk because you got a problem.
Ingane podlela.
Most don't make fun of abantwana bamabhodlela. It's not nice.
And I have abasidam bonke.
Oh, come on, not bonke.
There's nothing wrong with not breastfeeding. Okay, why are we talking
No, akasho ibhodlela lelo lo. Usho ama prematures lona. Ungayiqali nje.
Okay.
Hayi uyeke nalokho akangabafani.
Akwenzeki Akwenzekile imkhozi.
Ngale kuphike siyazi bona ukhuluma ngani.
Oh, usampilo abarunenkani. Hayi ukuthi usampilo nenkani. No, siwisho mama nenkani.
I'm telling you now.
Ngakho nje usampilo.
I'm telling you now.
Jama Prim.
Akanankani le bafana bamgila njalo kuba unenkani ngabe abashaya. Ngase ngezwa bathi zilushaya umfana.
No, inkani it doesn't.
No, because
It's not like you fix kanjalo kufanele njalo inkani. Ayifix lapho.
a lady.
I'm a lady.
Bese khona amavanda.
Who?
Oh, Thando.
I'm a lady and DJ. Angeke ngishaya umfana.
Hayi fanele awubhamle nje one.
Awuqale ngaye lo.
Angishayeleni manje.
Manje sifuna ukwenza i-example.
Uthi laba bahlezi bangila.
Yala bangishaya mina. Buka
Imbonjisi sashaya
buka.
into omfana.
Ezikhona izinto eziworth it ukuthi okay.
Ngizomshaya and then
I always don't understand amantombazana ashaya amachita because one slap from me you're dead. But when you're busy, you're knocking.
Ekhathi esiningi intombazane eshaya umjito is because zishajwayiziwe vele.
Ujwayeze ngibani?
Lo abathola naye phela.
Buka wadala.
vele kuyashayana.
Oh, sozoyenza la
No,
le.
sorry, but yeah, khathi esiningi vele nje they get isandla kakhulu. It's like isakhe noma sahlukana nalomuntu loyo. Mathu
La yakhona
la
uyokuhlala.
yakhona.
Amantombazana wayengafly.
Bathola umuntu oyikhila ngeke ba ngeke
Ngeke
nje. Ufuna nje kusafuna isandla. Safuna isandla
You
manje.
know what? I do not condone abuse in any form. In any form.
But some
Whether-
girls deserve a slap.
whether
Ne?
it be-
How?
Oh, bengibuza.
How?
No, I don't know deserve ukushaywa. And I ask the guys.
Yeah,
And it's so
Some
sad.
do,
Masubona umngani wakho or someone that you know stuck in that. So it's normal.
Ngiyabonga.
I was so sad. Nama was so sad to see umngani wa boy. Abasi intombazane in front of him wathula.
Oh.
No,
Oh
yeah.
boy, no, you don't do that.
I was so sad.
I like that. I like that he mentioned that, and it's something. And so not discussing. You can put it on a plate, and he's doing that because I'm his like Magayenz. So he's mad with he yenzeka phambi.
And you didn't
Now
do
we were
shit.
told.
about it.
No.
No. He's the one who called the nigga. Kuthi hey buka la.
No. I didn't. Yabona manje. Anginikeza chance. Ungakhuluma
Khuluma uyawungengezi.
ngakhuluma njengapheka.
Right noma
Kwasho baye njalo atshela ubusa msele ukuthi hayi khuluma la.
ungengezi asawulokhu.
So, makwenzeka lokho akacabangayo ukuthi kwenza ngandlela. Peck interpret things in his own way,
It's
and you
fine.
know him.
We all
Okay,
do.
when
Yeah.
Until we hear it.
So he was abusing me, Upek Nintombi Gamchit, yabo. I'm drunk and I'm not feeling okay. I'm sitting down, they're busy. But we'll happy bona.
Yeah, phela bayadlala.
But I'm not okay. I don't think he saw that, Upek. Yabo. So I see this thing, I'm like, yo, bro, I was Ntombi yakho la nalomngani wakhe. In my mind, angimkhuzeli ukuthi azomphamula.
Uthi awutshela abangiyeki.
Ngithi except Brian ngeke ngitshele Ntombi yakho, Peck vele bengafuna umtshela because ngiyaphek mangimkhuza uzokwenzani? He
It
will
will carry on.
he will persist.
We all know.
So I'm like, okay, cool. Asingibize umuntu engaziyo ukuthi uzokhuza le ntombazane because lo
But you
uzoqhubeka.
know about the ngesandla.
No, I didn't know.
Nobody's saying he didn't know.
No, the guy. The guy. Nami
But
ngifana
ngakasachaza.
ngifana say
Yeah, but at the same time,
after
you can say what you want to say.
Darambita akhona. It's not itele ngaleli.
No, that's not true.
Hayibo, ulona. Okay.
Yeah, it's not true. Like, let me show you, it's not true. Let me tell you.
Kakhulu.
So I figure umchita reprimand intombi yakhe ne akhuze intombi yakhe basithele then lo abona ukuthi bamenzani nomuntu akaboni mina yabo and then mase sisuka lapho singabona okay there's a commotion siphume sihambe but uyazi angithanda into napheka ngamkhuza makayenza kancane wenza kancane pheka but it was wrong still so nalo mjita uyangazi ukuthi angisumjita othanda ukubona lento leyo
I don't condone it.
I don't condone it. Noma ungathini and ngiyazi ukuthi uyakwenza but he never did it in front of me. And noma ukwenza still. Ngizomnika chance you say what you want to say.
Carry on.
Noma ukwenza still, ne? Even the whole of December, I wasn't swimming with that person because at the same time, it affects me. The day when they did it in front of me on that day, and I told them shit. I was like, I'm pinned in Puzinan. Because it's not only you, my guy, you also, my girl, you start this shit. You start beating your way and yourself. There's no way going to Tukren, but just because it's a female, no.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's so sad to see that there are males and females who made it normal.
Normal, yes.
Normal. Kuba vele siyaphamdana.
Ileta ngisho.
Don't try
Ileta
that.
ngisho.
And it's becoming irregular.
There's a video circulating in Tobazan. I think they went a group or something.
One was wearing white shit.
Yeah, I'm cool up.
What happened? What's Hulene?
Yeah, we're not to the master reactor. Hey,
But that's the thing, now it's a different story. That's what I hate.
Wesiphanzile uzwa umphusho phansi then wabamba
Yeah. Why you to the point? Oh,
berudariyo mfiki bamphusha kukhula
Ufeta.
Ngibani ufenta manje?
Jita.
bawonke umuntu right la into
Ngone le ntombazane.
yeah.
wasuka wasidum mchito uthiza mkhomba
And it didn't trend, my nigga.
It is trending.
I didn't see
Hey,
it.
guys, but it's not. Shoot is not, man.
It is trending.
But I was vice versa.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Oh.
not happening to a woman.
Opinion, but what I'm saying. What
The
did you say?
people can.
They won't make a trend because
Yeah.
a woman does that. I hate it. I hate it so much. But then we come with conversations of but we abuse.
Can't tell me if you want, but the purple gang.
It must be everyone.
Hey, the purple gang is filled with very stupid people. What about the boys? What about the boys? Because most of them, I'm one of those guys. Because oh man.
Yes.
And I mean, my mother would tell me, I love this fish. At 4 years old, I was like, what is this they're talking about? Not in that manner. But she instilled a lot of discipline in me.
That's the relationship they have.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
understand.
and you must know with me and my mom, we talk however we want. Oh, sorry. Into engazi ukuthi azongikhuzela yona ile lapho akubonani nokuthi utshwala ubeka iglass phansi phela kweflash. Like, oh my goodness, my mom.
Down. Mati.
My mama.
Like, she's very special. Why is it gonna fish?
Yeah, watching our little fish. So, vele angase ngalela ntombazane. Intombazane makuthi ngingayishaya is because besengifuna ukuthi istop le nto yenzayo.
Shokile wayishaya.
Yeah, ngingayishaya.
Oh wow.
I'm not going to be a hypocrite.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You're not proud of
Yeah, I've landed a slap. Not what I was about beating, no. Like, come on, to song shy one I think what
Kumagim.
pop. Yabo.
Hey.
And nala abantu abenza cabanga mfethu. Lo bekamkhulu ngomzimba so ayitshela ukuthi ama punches nama slaps wakhe azolanda but for me they were not landing. Yabo.
So what would you do if your girl smashes your car? I've seen this
Smashes it how?
I've seen these videos ukuthi uyamshuta nje.
Yeah, I'll do what I'll do what Sakilo would do. Go to the police station.
I know,
honestly.
I'll kick your ass.
Live on cam.
Not even Kem.
Mangasebenza yamlahla poison. And futhi
Angibulele nemoto.
imangitshela nayi into ebalekile ezamajit please ngicela ngikho mjolo ngasebenza.
Yo, the ntombazane engana degree yo.
No man I This is not my first time saying it.
Wait,
I'm full
okay, here's my catch. Mawushayela ukuthi
I don't
unjani ngisakhe igama lami wena ngoba degree.
No. Mama bese sihamba phela ke nkulumo siyathola ukuthi okay.
Yeah,
ayeke ungiphazamisa
awubambe torhweni. Adayisele noma inuka.
Understand?
Busy nje adayise inuka.
Yabona nje ma angasebenzi ekhithe yabo ma asebenza obviously vele uzoba ne boyfriend esispanning lezo mchikchela tune life. Hayi man zini man ngifuna ukuyisa amajita leche eli difficult yabo ngifuna ukusifaka islime bazomchikchela umuntu wakho don't act like you don't know and mama mchikchelile just make sure that you don't find out and she keeps it to herself now and she must not not
But how do you make sure you don't find out?
don't smell. Don't think about it.
Hayi guys, come on, ama surprise
Sakile. Uyabona ukuthi ngikhulumela kancane kanjani lento le but how you see how they support it. See how they supporting it.
Support system banayo.
No, I support the ukuthi don't go through somebody's phone.
Yes. No,
But ama
besides.
surprise visit womntwana.
Don't
Surprise yini usezini kuyasebenza musilala
Oh, but ngelachi.
ngizokubona musihamba.
No, but I'm a surprise visit to Abona. There's a time where you can tell I can surprise my woman when the relationship is pink. When you come into and so on.
Yeah, maybe
Ukuthi bamshela.
Yeah.
Whatever there's a problem.
Hayi wena waceba
Khona ngamcebi. The reason why I ceba ilokuthi uyabona yebo. Khona unzizwe wrong la. Manje sowenzela ukuthi ube grand ungacala ucabanga.
because bafuna ukuthembeka.
Ama-cheaters inside, they so sure that niggas are stupid. About they try to give niggas this thing. You would say, baby, listen, me, I'll tell you everything. I'm honest. I'm an angel.
Makubakala khona tanga.
Waqala wakubikela ukuthi bani uyamshela bani khona lo mshela angatsheli ngaye. Wathula nje wazenzela into yakhe. You must know.
Ufuna umthembu uyazi kanti lakho uyacebana.
Angibayazi ukuthi we are gods. And so on. They know we can see
We are
things.
gods.
Yeah, men are gods.
And we are goddesses, not goddesses.
Yeah, girls are goddesses. And yes, but
Akayazi lo befuna ukuyiphikisa le.
He doesn't know he's a god. You don't know you're a god.
No, but something to
Yeah,
explanation.
you can see things as men. Ngabe yini lento wenibona?
They're wrong, but they're wrong.
I'm not a god.
Khona le intuition asiyiboni vele into right. Into wrong.
Into wrong nje
Right siya expect ukuthi nisinikeze yona singakayigadi. Wrong fanele check ukuthi yes noma yizi.
Can you feel like in your own fantasy world?
Bese sothola ama-cherry akutshele nge-intuition. Yeah, awenzela into egrand vela phekele manje.
Mina all I'm saying
I love you. Ngisho kona mntanami, I love you. I love
Wena
you.
thanda utshela umuntu into ayenzayo.
Okay, sorry.
this whole conversation stemmed from GPV.
Yes.
And then it went to the fact that I'm at this first.
Yeah, akusilo future le.
Mara i-GPV yazi iqalwa yini? Iqalwa izinto ey'ncane njenge-disrespect, to be honest. That's where it comes from. Sakile, uphenikiswe iHennis uyasebenza and account yakho inabathini lento yokuthi noma unganamali yakhona ukuya link bathini lento
Overdraft.
account yakho in-overdraft musuke uyihlaza sobhiza ukhasha i-4 finger.
Hey, sayila yasilala le birthday.
Yani shit. Come on. Yakho birthday mfana, like I wanna thank you. But you've invited me 2 times in a row.
I want to say.
And wait, it's gonna bomb.
Okay.
And it makes me feel.
We are fine.
It makes me feel special. I'm trying.
Don't die.
The funny me is dying today. Tomorrow I'm serious as a motherfucker.
Oh gosh.
What do you say?
No, but we're so busy with the GPV
Very
conversation.
much moved from you. I want to swing in the way.
Yeah, but that's just how it is. That's a
Go from
conversation.
to Oppo seeing things.
And Oppo is saying that girls,
Yeah.
No, but I want to like, hey, pass up a lap.
I just want to say this was a birthday episode, Oppo.
Yeah.
There was really no, I don't know.
Okay,
And
but
also us
we can make
coming
it. We can make
and
it
us
a
saying-
birthday episode, guys.
No, it is already been a birthday episode.
Oh,
And us saying welcome to the new year.
thank you.
As a wave station, not to you.
Oh, I thought it was the
Yeah,
same.
to
To
our-
the viewers.
Oh, but it's my
And
birthday, so I
say
can still say
that-
thank you.
Wave Stations is still here. It's not
Yes.
going anywhere.
Mm.
2026. We also want to go bigger. We're trying to do more. And yeah, we are here. Remember to subscribe,
Like,
like,
comment.
and comment.
Yes.
Just comment on Opoy and his birthday.
Yeah,
His
but you
birthday.
guys must know that nobody is going anywhere here. This, we are a family, right?
Yes.
Sina siya family esebenza ngelo maintenance show. Yabo, ngifuna ukumtshela nje namuhla ukuthi you guys are fucking amazing. We don't really rely on each other like that. Yabo, we don't demand each other from ngaphandle kwaphek ma demand izinto zakhile. Ngimkhosi ekela ukuthi sakhile Yes, okay, ngicela ukuqhubeka. Yeah. Ngicela ukuqhubeka ukuthi si-family engahluphani. If I don't see Ash for a very long time, he'd rather miss me than to complain. Yabo. Nami same way. If I don't see Zile, I don't see Sakila, I don't see Peck, I'd rather miss them more than to complain that I don't see them.
It's the new year. Why does it sound like a good vibe from you?
Yeah, one.
What?
No, a goodbye. No, I think
It's not a
every change.
goodbye.
No,
I don't.
no,
We
it's
didn't do
not.
a Christmas year-end episode.
I did try good to see it. I'm chilling and no to
Thank you.
Oof.
and there's a little bit of shooting upon the rock.
I never.
Because it was kumbulile.
No,
Zile
man.
phela yasaba come some emotions zakhe sometimes.
Such a baby.
Zile khona la so
I got
osekuthembisa khona mhlawumbe ukuthi khona la
No, yeah,
I'm
serious
serious,
into
seriously.
Yeah.
So khona la kuthembisa khona mhlawumbe ukuthi ungayohlonipha khona.
Good point.
Oh,
Yeah, I
Long
understand.
Ngikhuluma husband and stuff.
Yeah. So khona lokuthembisa khona
Oh,
ukuthi
hey.
not supposed to. It's another day to stay away from men.
hayi lokhu njalo.
Kuyazama.
Mina ngitholela mina.
I-heartbreak awuthatha nje nge-clicks ngiyothenga amaphilisi e-heartbreak.
Zile zona those people bazobhala phaya ukuthi stay away from men ehamba yena ehlala nayo.
Angithi bese kodwa mase bangilile ngiphinde ngisho.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, bakugilile yona.
Makumnandi futhi makumnandi.
But you know what? God is good. All the
So
time.
uphinde wathola omunye futhi fast.
Guys, I'm
Ungibebele.
going through
Fast.
something.
Wena yo
Maybe it's overrise, but I'm going through
umjolo.
It's something.
Yeah, lo yini manje le ngithande kuyarasa.
What are you going through?
No, I'm just going through.
Umjolo.
But you know what, guys? This year, njengoba kushilo gogo.
Okay,
Ngashada this year.
njengoba ukuthi bakho hayi leyo kushada ngicela ungayikhulumi abantu because ukushada you must at least mina ngiyokhuluma ngithi hayi i-premature le umshado webhodlela lo unyaka oyi-1 hayi kahle we need to see you 3 years nyana naleyo mshito usuwakushaye ma inkinga usifaka kuyo thina ukuthi ma kushaya ngesikhona ukumkhulumisa sizofuna umshadi
Nje
so
ngomkhathi.
ungafuni ukusifaka kuleyo nkinga
And
rather give the
manje
person
ushayixabana naye ethini. Yena
Uzokhuluma.
ngishena phela uzokhulumela
yena siyamthatha simphushe ngesimongho uwele ekamerweni sakhiya sidila nalo mshito oshaye usisi we-internet.
Oh guys, man, why men don't want to go violent? Can we show one to go violent?
Njolo, violent shit that thing.
I can't. Mina nje.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, well, speak for yourself.
Okay.
I'm not casting it, but after umshado uzoba violent. Why do you know many guys? You know many cheaters.
No, but that's the thing.
Right now, you're carrying cheating now.
Yeah, but leyo nto leyo angithi that's where
Wazi kakhulu inkinga yakhe. Usheshe abone ukuthi engathi uyabhayiziswa la.
Hey, put it and then I slice.
Usheshe abone ukuthi
Konje nguwe lo wathi lo wamthola.
What got lado ngikhuluma
Bona mtholile. Lalela. Ukhona omunye amtholile.
I was premature. I was a weak nigga that one.
Lo wathi akufanele ukuphuza.
I'm not telling crash.
episode le ama-crash.
Ah, that was a bit nigga. That was a bit nigga.
I don't know, because for little Neo.
Hey,
And
one
then we
more
were
share,
asking,
that's
would you
fine.
smash in
Yeah.
what's in Neo smash? Ah!
Nah, that was a bit
No,
nigga.
Nobody
Like,
said,
I
nobody.
go away.
I know, in the stage, last time I was talking stage.
No, I think who's out.
One block here, ukuthi usho njani.
Ungatiphuza kakhulu. Wena sinanga lokuphuza nawe. Inakhona ukuthenga utshwala.
Wathi akufanele ukuphuza, wathi zile kusho ukuthi wena ungakufanele.
Yeah, oh, what decide ukuthi
Hi guys, it's been a while. They so Nani for sure what you go through. Said you I'm on this podcast, I'm the only one. Nani
Yeah, you can ask us
Nani
about.
Ryan Keelan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yazi ukuthi content antikhokha yona ukuthi the reason why H keeps quiet a lot when he's here is here to listen to our problems and then realize that he's a fucking worse, but I'll be fine, quiet.
Mangus, you can ask us about it.
I'll keep quiet because mine are fucking worse.
Yeah.
You know?
So guys thinking, hey bo. You see those up. Nam to
Mina nje mfethu nje unqamunya mfethu.
Guys, yipi
Ngathi
ngoba
na
unamunya?
15 mfethu.
Yo, I don't even.
Kwanza wafika
sleeping.
hayi. Ngonyoko cause FM.
Yeah.
Cause
I
that's
can
what-
ngayibona singekafiki noNovember.
Where were you? When
Mina bengilele.
Nami I was sleeping.
Wena wako.
Yeah, it deserves now.
Mina I was sleeping.
Oh,
Bobo methi tu.
Mina I was sleeping.
Wena?
mina ngiphume ekhaya nje uma 10 ngakhani ngiyala
Well,
bese
yeah, you were drinking. Go pick and cat.
No, mina guys, angiyi kuma-grooves. Mina ngiswelakala kuma-grooves.
Baphuza endlini.
No, mina ngicela ngiphuzele ejartini, guys.
Hayi mina
Ejartini labani?
Ejartini labani?
Emajartini, ama-grooves mina.
Wena.
lekhona
Nalaso Justin.
Ah, Jared.
Oh, what
Yeah.
No, I was with my brothers, man.
Nami ngishela nabo bhuti, sosinyama, sishayela ubhiya.
Yeah.
lekhona
Nakhona ngafika, yeah, I call me Gago. Ngiyazi
Oh,
Gago.
lapho khona
Yeah,
nani?
yeah.
As always.
Mina ngafika ngabo 9 nakhona ngahlala nje ne-Oleli saphela hotel. Awu nje was phela mina mama siba ngani la.
Wena.
Mina
Oh,
ngakhupha
mina,
alarm yango
I
11.
was home. I left at around 11.
Why?
What did you go?
Ngakhani ngiye eMagadini.
Where?
Lizulu. My home is.
Your home.
Shabo.
Because when
home.
Ekhayeni is where you sleep.
I don't sleep eMagadini.
Yabona.
I have a home in Magadini, you know, for a fact.
Yeah, it's better awusanalo. Unomzalo uhlala khona.
Sasigweme ingozi zango December.
Yeah, me also, but no. Ngo 3 o'clock bekusengidlala itozi ngiyisa abantu.
Wow.
Hayi no mina ngangilela
Awukhona
ngabo
nje
9.
Yeah, after ngo 3.
Mina ngifike kubantu kanje. Oda nje boma 1:02.
Yeah, drop me off.
Ovudaka la ngaphandle.
Ah, dlala itozi awukove kudala.
I was not
No, just the way, bro.
Okay, where were people standing? Lapana, where were people sitting?
It was nice, man.
Bekugcwele inside there, kugcwele ngaphandle.
Ngabuya phela emakateni, ngathi mina ngikhathele ukukhuluma indawo uthi, "Omncane usenzani auntie?" Ngathi,
Why is it?
It's enough.
Take me to the people.
The way bengihleli ngakhona mangibuyele emuva ekhaya. Alo ndaba udaka leyo sholo wena ngiyazi.
Usaba ukuthenga utshwala.
No.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Ngiyathengiswa lapha enyokeni.
Zokuphunya ekuseni.
Angithi ngiyathenga nengudu lapha enyokeni, bafika beyohlala lapha edlala isuzu.
Yekuphi enyokeni? Ufakaza manje. Ufakaza
Hayi, ngomyazi guys.
Basaba ukuthengisela bakuphi?
Yabona guys, I love it. Yabona edlala itozi, nice meats, nice everything.
Yeah.
But lokuthi sizohlala khona. Sisibhizi namakhulu
Mapintshana
mapintshana. Sesibangalele nje
Yeah, that's the only bad
I
vibe.
understand.
Zila nevideo yakho la sahlala sonke nje ngelanga le.
No, but
It was empty.
it was empty that day.
Yeah.
Remember? Sengisho ukuthi
And we can still go tomorrow.
8:31.
I got a big twin. Nama ended up shifting lapha
Yeah, I didn't understand it. I understand.
Ngihlale nje, I think ngihlale 5 minutes.
Ngafika ngizothenga ngasaba nokuhlala ukuthi ngihamba nakwazi bathi hayi ngicela ukuthenga amabhiya le so ihlalele khona uzobuya sathi order sigcwele wenze njani.
Ngiyagcwala lapha.
Isiya amanzi kaqala. Kule festival bekugcwala ngathi uyashaya.
Yeah. And every day ngathi beniphelela lapha.
Angithi phela yangena.
Bani?
Gotcha.
ngenxa yokuthi sisawuthi kumele siyothenga utshwala sesiyogcwala laphana esitapini sesibanga i-6 sesibanga vele
Namatafula u4. Senibangisana wona.
awu-4
No, akhona la ngamuva kahlala
Hey, yes.
VIP. Khona i-VIP ngale, don't you know?
awu lapha ngale lapha
Ngamuva, yes. Yeah, inamatafula. Ay, 3.
unyaka khwishi
Ukade ufuna ukubona abantu futhi? Yebo,
But what's the point of kumela ngaphandle?
abaningi.
phela kube angifuna ukubona abantu abadlala endlini
The complaint yakho ngi-understand kimi. Because mawuhlala abaningi, ngiyacomplain.
Uhlala ngoba uyokhama
Fika laphana ngo-6-7 sungakagcwali uzosithola i-sports, thola itafula.
alikho nethoyilethi west
Yebo.
sebadake okanye amaphepha sebayehla lapha kanina niyabhora
Bazo sebasalele
Ithoyilethi esenyokeni. Ithoyilethi esebenzisana nasenyokeni.
endleleni kamhlonipho ngakhona
uyasuka bosunayo uhlala lapha.
uzasuke nayo
Uhlala ngathi vele. Yebo, kusenzoni. Angithi wasigila yena. Angithi wasigila yena.
One kindergarten.
Angazi ngathi ngiyazi wasigila. Fayise bhanya khumbula ukuthi wasigila kodwa kuthi ngani angisazi.
Hayi ebhawaskila kakhulu.
Uyabona.
Waskila kakhulu kepha. Hayi
Nayi.
wesefuna ukusilawula. Yeah, everyone.
Kwese yabona.
Engaphatha nomuntu
Leyito bebelenze la. Isho nala sayenze kodwa yena usoze
nabantu.
What?
Anyways, it's January 2026.
we hope you guys stay with us for the rest of the year it's been
Alright.
good happy birthday to old boy for one last time
Happy
and into chaza ukuthi
in
le
advance.
episode izodropha after birthday yakho
Yeah,
so like
bona, eish.
Awamani ngi-edit namuhla myself. Ngicela ngilethele video, ngilethele audio, I'll edit it myself.
today ne
Enizokunika
Hey, Wi-Fi and it's very fast.
umnike vele
ngizomnika nje
izodropha
kwaphela.
Cha ngicela unginike khona ngithi I have a laptop endlini or even I can take machine's laptop ngifake konke. Ngithola I want to edit it myself.
so that it drops before your birthday
It drops tomorrow. It's gonna drop today.
Yabo, mhlawumbe mama new management vele nje mhlawumbe ngizinto zingaba right. Awu edit small.
hey khona ama-clip angeke avele lana ne-sound audio khona azothula khona i-audio
Lapha ma-top editor. Trust me, I'm a top editor.
yeah oh boy you don't put everything
Yeah.
apparently
That sounds like a compliment.
Top editor.
I like it.
There was apparent at the end.
Lalela, ngathi top editor singakasabona editor wakho. Awuveze manje ishona manje ukuphi lapho ishuphi.
aka-edithe le-episode le
Akasho manje umsebenzi wakhe simcingo.
Ongabe usimuntu
My job is to edit all those work DJs in my festivals because most DJs are work. They just my playlisters. So as an MC, I get there and then edit their skills.
Yo, it's too much work.
I'm just saying,
There's too much work in.
they're work. They're very work. My playlist, they are not DJs.
Oh.
And they're not, the DJ stands for disc jockey. But they are disc jokers. They joke.
Wow.
They joke.
Uhamba kuthanda usho njalo la. Ngisandeke.
No,
Usubile umuntu la.
angathumanga umuntu yazi ngiyiswa yini ile nto le this feud that is going on between DJs and MCs. Some DJs the way about mana ngitshele the way ba work ngakhona
Akayeke phela bageni bakhe ba-DJ bonke.
yeah and uyabazi abawork aso kuyabayeka baqhubeka bawork but I'm saying
laba basidlalela amahasha.
ama-DJ, they can't collaborate with MCs. You can't collaborate if you are not work. You understand? The moment you go collaborate with MCs, because you work, you don't know how to switch the sound off, then come back and still understand what's going on. Abanye manje you switch it back off, and then masayibuyele shandis, awusawu ukuthi khalani, awusazi uweka ngithi awazi kwenzakalani. You don't know how to come back and
Oh, mina I understand ukuthi I understand ukukhulumela ini. Amsterdam, he was like
no, not one event.
he was like me ngikhulumela Amsterdam. Amsterdam DJ, ovala kancane ukukhulumela.
Wow.
DJ ngangafani. Ulolo nje uthi abafani ngamakhuluma.
No, but you must
know mangithi vala there's a reason. Ngiyakuzwa na ukuthi somoshile. Sengifuna ukubamba bakhohlwe, sibaculise and then you come back with a fresh song then you come back with other songs.
Uqinisile kodwa no.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
Of frames. Of frames. Why?
And it's
Uyazwakala ayafani.
It is to make
Ngilungele.
no, uqinisile no boy. There are literally DJs that don't know how to collaborate with MCs.
They
And that's
don't.
okay. Mina, like I said, the only DJ who can collaborate now.
It's Percy. Yeah.
Because Percy understands. I don't even have to tell him who's
He knows.
He knows. Because the moment I quit,
Yeah, please.
his transition. Now as an MC, you need to know
Listen
music.
to the
Yeah.
You need to know when is the bridge, when is the drop, when is the
Yes,
So that's why I'm saying with Mina and Percy, we have a
Do you understand all
understanding.
those?
The rest,
She knows I understand.
So bongakhona
The
ukukhuluma.
rest,
No. Imangitshela zile angavuni futhi ama MC. And that's what I said. Ukuthi ungathi mawukhuluma kakhulu ekitchen ekhaya bezwa ngawo. And you think you can come on stage and be an MC. If you don't understand the tempo, if you don't understand the bridge, if you don't understand that like more khona ukulalela abantu and you don't know when is the song going to drop, you don't know how to prepare people to dance. Konke lokho you must know all of it. I'm not saying I'm the connoisseur, I'm the best and all that shit, but I'm a student and I'm learning. And I've been learning the best way because in my learning I've been receiving compliments. You understand? So I appreciate it, but at the same time, now what DJ I'm called now MC abanciphe because we don't need people
Amsterdam except you.
overlooking.
Mina or except me.
Yeah, are you proud of it?
I don't count. Like what I know is since Zile is not there. Wait,
Oh boy.
man, can I say this first before you count all of that shit?
Yeah.
It's me.
Yo. Okay, it's El boy. So the rest was all of the shit.
I'm like Zile's not there, so I don't mind if they cancel me. Don't book me. It's fine because very thing that is no. I can't book.
Oh, wow.
Like it's in yes, I don't know only the king and it's your cook. But I'm saying,
Yeah.
I'm saying,
There's some poses. That's the captain.
if I'm not number one, I'm number two, and I'm definitely not number two because Zile is no longer there.
Top 2, but not 2.
Top two, but not two. So you can count and one advisor. Yeah. No, I'm one of Zile. You can fuck around and say Ebenezer, but Ebenezer is there in Joburg doing Kubevu.
Oh yeah.
Yes, he's there in Joburg doing his own thing. He's not. I'm next. I'm just saying. He's my boy. He knows. He's what? No, I'm number one. I'm the only one.
Yeah,
Zile's not there
number
anymore.
one.
Ebenezer is nice. That's why he's.
Oh, it's just nice.
Yeah, he's nice. He's a nice.
Okay.
He's a nice boy.
He's a nice boy.
Stelo move away from
He's
being
a
a
boy.
resident because that's where I'm a teacher, I have a corner and you lose the skill. Move away from that shit or go back to poetry. Who else?
Akayekanga nje Paul why to go back akayekanga nje.
No, he focused on MCing too much because there's a lot of pitches, but I'm saying
No, that's because it pays a lot kunalo poetry yenzayo.
does it?
It does.
Does it really?
It doesn't.
Kuye.
No, it doesn't.
No, MCing
No,
pays him.
doing 2 poems at my event.
So you're telling me akambongiseni uyaphi every weekend akatholi.
Wenzani?
Wow.
Ukulinda was the bad one.
No, but you know what I mean? You're telling me akambongiseni every weekend ubusy and akatholi.
No, you're talking about this.
Exactly. So he MC pays him almost every week. No poetry because poetry shows is nazo.
Now photography would pay you every week if we keep it on the
Zile, who told you that? Why are you spilling beans?
Ooh, but
What a check.
Ah, shooting edits. There is edits out. Trust me, Nas.
Okay. Over there.
Awu ngizwa wena nje woku-editha
Sasa manje nisabane sicela wandazi ubani umunye MC.
Theo is coming. Theo's coming. He just needs to stop drinking and come out and be out there present. Theo's good. Theo's good.
Theo's good futhi ngokuthi he knows the song.
He knows the
word
song.
for word. Theo
Yeah.
can start the song himself. Yeah, he's good. He's good.
Yeah, but at the same time, one advice I have for him: don't be an MC that sings piano songs on stage. Be an MC that talks to the people. It will define you.
Okay.
Don't sing my piano
Next one.
songs.
Then kuba ngithandakazi.
Tell is okay. Hey man, my mom is calling. Nah, serious now. I have to call.
Yeah, 050 is not your mom.
That's not your mom.
My mom.
No, 050.
No, it's redemption card.
No. My name is MC.
Oh, it's actually Yvonne, guys.
Yes, another one. Yes. Thandukazi is okay. Yes, carry on.
Okay.
Okay, no, Tandakazi is okay, but he needs to listen to the people. Nah, he's my friend, so I should not lie. He needs to listen to the people. Stop singing when you're not supposed to sing Tandakazi. So let me go talk to my
Oh,
mom.
hey, khona omunye awu ngaqeda ukubala nje.
Who?
Hlabathi
The mic is here. It's a podcast.
Usho thini lo?
Who do you want to talk
Ukhona
about?
khuluma ukuthi mama isimuzwa lakho ku-podcast.
No, I'm from serious.
Vala ke la uhambe ukhuluma na mama.
Oh shit, because he has one more.
My name is MC. is in-
Khona omunye
The last one, asibeke lo yi-1 bese siyavala.
beka MC ya Amsterdam before
Bankelis.
angimazi ke manje kwethi uyajiva.
No, that guy.
Mfana mngani.
The piano guy.
Ah, khona mfana mngani ohlala kantombazane.
That's one.
He must stop.
Uhlala ntombazane yes.
Yeah, he must stop.
He must stop.
He's not the one. He must try something
He's not
else.
that guy, man. Sia,
The one not dancer.
Sia.
Yeah,
he must-
So you must stick to dancing, is that what you say?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, he
'cause-
must dance.
Yeah, he
he
is
must
a good
dance.
dancer.
And dancing is good.
He
It's
must
very good.
dance and he's
I'm not saying he's whack.
Yes, he was dancing on the decks. And Nancy 1, 2, but he was dancing J. And he
Yes,
was
that's
with
good
that.
with
Yeah.
in
He must
dancing.
carry on.
Yeah,
And Ahambena, that guy that he goes with Lord Piano, what's it? CMB.
yeah, usenza hamba naye.
Ahambena, they must do they act together.
Wait.
Something like that. Even if he does take the mic, fine.
Yeah.
For him,
Wow.
for that performance, the other
Yes.
guy.
No, the guy can do better. I mean, I know he can become an MC, right?
No,
So there's two. Kulabeni labalile, there's
I'm
two.
telling you, he
There's
can.
two I haven't seen benza lento leyana. Because most of the time abasa stage sibhizi nga something.
Ufuna ukuthi Lebzi Zulu must focus on radio.
I didn't say Lebzi Zulu.
Oh.
I mentioned Lebzi Zulu.
Ufuna ukuthi Lebzi Zulu.
No, I said the two. I mean, out of the 4, is it 4 that you counted? There's 2 engakabezwa. Ngisafuna ngibeze labo. I mean, listen to your comments.
Oh.
Theo, I still need to
Theo,
see
yeah,
Theo,
Theo,
and
Nalo sisho manje
yeah,
udansayo.
I
yes,
don't even know
yes.
who Theo is.
Asaqala ngama MC then kuba ngemzithi yebo. When sesigelile ngemzithi.
No, still telling a Lebzi.
Asaqedi. Ngemzithi. Nami umuntu omaziyo.
He's not an MC.
Nami umuntu amele amaziyo. So women lo.
Mazilaphi.
What?
Mazilaphi.
MC and I bazathi niyafanelana this.
I just call MC with him. Doesn't mean I know
Yeah,
him.
so
You think it's good as an MC? It's good as an MC?
It's been great. We'll see you on the next episode.
Bye, waivers.
Where's that shit in the
Okay.
Bye.
Apparently, kule show here, the annual Tonton is the second one.
Yes.
Wow.
Baba MC ya Udo, this chichi girl there, someone. Tell me.
How will you know she's a chichi?
Wabomhlanga.
Bayawuhamba.
Yeah, that's how he knows. It was Galo.
Baphinde basihambe.
So no,
No, she must focus on modeling. That one.
Otherwise, guys, as you heard, they said she must focus on modeling.
Umhlanga phasi.
Hayi, kumhlanga qhubeke nomhlanga. Okay, it's been great, guys. We'll see you in the next
It's been lovely. It's been beautiful. It's a brand new year. First Sunday of the new year.
The first episode of the new year.
First episode of the new year. It's been a lovely one. Baboni Zile is here. Opo is here. Mr. S is here. Everyone was here except for Mr. L. But then I'm sure I'm from la corner.
Gonna be anything. Yeah, I know the same woman prayer. I'm forming my prayer.
Yo, where to buy those burgers though?
You
Okay,
have
so- Put it up.
Yeah, please.
Those are nice burgers.
Yes, those are nice things. Yes.
No.
And my milkshake, man, what's in and figure kai go over my man.
Guys, let's please support the boy. She is doing the most. Angamphumi kakhulu but then angamphumi kakhulu make those deliveries up in my name.
He does deliver as well. And those shakes look divine.
They look divine.
They
I
are
haven't
very
tasted.
fine.
And yeah, the way you would selectively say, look.
No, I haven't tasted. I know Pac has.
What do you want
I
to say,
haven't
Pat?
tasted. Obviously, we're still gonna definitely do a review.
Yeah,
Like
yes.
we review everything.
yeah.
We can't only review in the
Let's come back home.
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna go back soon with the review.
Oh, they left you
But
hanging.
Pac- sorry.
Pity we can't see that.
Oh,
Hey, why are you doing a speed on?
No, I'm just. We're gonna do a review
Yeah.
of a place Gamshini for you guys, obviously, so you can see
Yeah.
and whatnot. But obviously, you will see down below.
Yeah,
all
but
in order. Please support the guy. Support my guy. I think it's really a good initiative. And those shakes, oh my gosh.
they look nice.
Yeah, Zena kumele ondle besides a good initiative.
Yes.
How can you
Let's be real. Let's be real. Let's be real.
Yo.
Guys, don't
He's
think. Guys, he's not doing it for fun, and you must
yeah.
understand
Yes.
I
that.
got so many. Please
I'm actually
understand.
flashed.
So
that's
keep
why
those
it's
orders coming.
It's not gonna make it to a
Push.
session for fun because
Tell ukubona mshini
It's not a shame.
weight. Tell mshini ukubona
Mshini gonna say
ama orders.
Mshini,
It's not a shame.
this is a message. This is a message from me to you as a big brother. Please calm down. Please understand that we love you.
Yeah.
Wait back.
Oppo would say machine is a bit tense nowadays.
No, that's not what I said. That's what you said.
You said it to me.
Okay, yeah, you are a little bit tense, bro. You are a little bit tense. I want you to know that we love you and you are not alone, and we can find a way, and we will. So calm down, keep on doing what you're doing, and make sure that you stay the same. Don't let situations change you. Don't let any bad circumstances in your life. I was an auntie, you are being singled out as umuntu ofana someone. You are great and you always remain great. We love you. Wave Sessions loves you so much, and thank you so much for whatever that you do and all the informing and
underproducing.
yeah, and
Yeah.
Underproducing, wow.
Underproducing and
Oh,
Sakila wanted to say underproducing.
I mean, guys, people are complaining about the episodes that we shoot and they never air. So that's underproducing. We should stop underproducing.
And
We work.
yo, and the
Stop cutting our shit, man.
Nyakala God forgive. Yo,
You
this is a
see?
nice one.
You see, that's
We've never aired.
underproducing.
A lot of
You don't
episodes
watch
I've
our
heard,
shows.
so-
No, I watch every. Like me, I'm porekela kuyo YouTube.
Wasiyabhora thina bese uyobhorekela khona.
No,
Imagine.
I speak ngabuka ngaleso sikhathi.
Singakhatha ke.
please
Okay, Cooper, we love. Happy birthday to me.
Yeah,
Hayi
happy
kahle
birthday to
wena
Maureen now.
sesikhathele nama-birthday akhe angapheli.
Eyakho ngizikhohlwa nawo mtshela.
Akekho ayikhumbula.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh!
Picture perfect.
You know what?
So expired ekubeni youth.
I've
Akuluza ama-benefits.
turned the new leaf ahlala khona la Mzansi.
And now benefits you taphela nini?
Aphela namuhla.
Namuhla ke mayaphela nje.
Buya yaphela
The
namuhla.
last year 35.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ina benefits you.
Awekho.
Like,
So it's a
like, I don't-
facade.
I've never seen or heard ukuthi sinama benefits.
It's a facade. Awu kahle awukhona khona ikhazini yami ecashwe ina-40 esibhedlela.
Yo, usuyi-senior citizen.
No. Angisisini sinya phela bogogo.
You do know ukuthi you're no longer youth. So masikhuluma youth issues. It's your last day today.
Yes,
When
and
I'm getting
I don't want to. I'm tired, man. Like I'm tired of your stupid behavior, your misfortunes.
Sizokhumbuza ukuthi hello,
No,
senior citizen.
mangibuza ukuthi uthema of mangibuza ukuthi wayengalala emakhaya. Ngibuza as a worried parent. Angisabo.
But also, I've been a family. I believe this is yes at the stage.
Really? No, utawiwa bona zile.
Yes, umdala nyalo.
Ngimdala kunabani? Ngibani ngimdala kunaye?
Uyathi thuthuta nyalo.
Ngibani ngimdala kunaye?
Ngidala kunathi sonke lapha.
Ngisho
You've outgrown the stage.
and iyo lento engishoyo ukuthi angikusho mina ngivamisa ngisho into yazo. Nalo ayangihlula nje.
Hayi wawusho.
Ediyamhlule ndiyokuzisho.
Yeah, we should jali mhlulu.
Iyo ngisho kwami.
Ayachoka.
Ubhibhe Amsterdam ezama ukuvumisa ingoma.
Yiphi ingoma?
Yathi hayi, yeke stika kulokhu ngalala emakhaya.
Ngiyazama ukuvumisa ingoma.
Yeah,
Yiphi?
kodwa yiphi?
Ayilona ngahlula lo la ye.
Hayi ngeke ngihlulele hawo.
Awuyenze
Zile wami ngoyenza kaningi nje leyo nje kaningi. Basho nje aningibongisele ngisho lokho kuphela ngiphume kubo. Angisebenzi no uqala nje leyo kuqala. Aningibongiseni mina ngiyaphuma.
Uma
La
lapho nje then out.
la baluqhubeka how I can sing just that I don't want
A whole 36-year-old
How does it feel?
wanting to make 2Ks dance.
to. Yeah. I'm a responsible parent. Like I'm doing.
Responsible ukuthi ujabulise emashwaleni.
Like yabona nje ningafane ngingasupporti because ngisasingabantwana. Mina I'm an elder. Cabanga akusadingeki ID, even the body tells you. Yonke into nje yami nje seyicacile ukuthi angisale ngiphuza. Wena umzali wakho nje sengakayithandi lento oyenzayo.
Mina ngithi buyela uyore.
Ah.
Lapho vele algoki. Lokhu siphethe ama bars.
Would have been nice if ever ngizorapha nabantu abazi ukurapha bona.
Yo, uyaqala le conversation. Yo.
Cha iqalwa uwe ke kodwa. Usayisholo yena ukuthi
No man, how come on? Imagine if ever ngifuna feature nje like Mkhondo because then ngifune like outside of the town because now siyakhuphulana ngisisi. Yabo sibasekazi.
who would you feature vele?
Mkhondo.
Yeah.
If ever I were to rap.
Yeah.
Khumbula ukuthi wena awusasiyo.
Okay, so I'm talking about my kids.
But yeah, who would you feature?
Who would I feature? Damn. Nobody would want to feature me. First and foremost.
Yeah.
As long as nobody would want to be in a song with me because when they perform, nobody. But
Nobody
Not even Ranger.
I range is dope, huh?
Exactly.
Hey, just I'm not going to range. Hey, and I know some people, you must understand. You must be honest with yourself. Even if I were to go back to rapping, I haven't been rapping for a very long time. So I haven't been training the skill of rapping. So imagine man who's rapping a ranger. Hey, I would rather do a chorus.
With who?
With Ranger. Yeah, the chorus. Yeah, Spirit of a lion. Child as well. Alapo is an easy one. Yeah. But Sanbunan, I shall introduce this. I wish our life.
We've been.
We've been like Malapit, we haven't reached it.
Oh yeah.
That part of the show.
Now this year.
Oh, it's 2026. Flip, it hasn't stuck in.
I'm really excited for this year.
Yeah, not yet.
I'm
How
excited
many
for
days
this
has
year.
it been since?
4 days.
4 days. It's been 4. That's
Yeah,
why.
5 days. It's my
Or tomorrow it's the 5th day.
it's my birthday. Yeah.
Nobody has plans for you, madam.
No.
It's always been like
I
that.
don't even know how you gonna celebrate your birthday with them.
Cabanga.
Firstly, do 40. I want 40.
Songamenzilani.
40
Oh, wow.
On a Monday.
And you're 4 years from 40.
Yes.
Imagine, bro.
Actually, 41st.
I. Ish, how I think that date?
Wow.
How are you gonna make it to date? Easy, go on, man. I'm going to the I'm going to
Wow.
Yo.
Ish, how old are you?
I'm old enough.
The baby, this one.
It's a baby. I think that's
Really doing grown up stuff.
ish, wait, nah.
With grown-ups.
Ungwana.
Ungwana.
Doing grown up stuff with grown ups.
Akaphiki naye kodwa.
Yes, so for the first uzoyibona makuthi uzofika 30 years. Lo khuluma ngalo uzofika inbuyo. Wena hopefully uzofika, yeah, you make it to 30 sham. But guys, I'm excited for 36 years. Honestly, like young ngikhuluma ngane. Dala ngifisa ukuba ikhrontwana because you know, ngiyakuthatha ukudlala mina ngiyangazi. I was happy. Manje sengizoforced age to not to do a certain things.
Like what?
But this stage khohlwa ngeke. Ngicela kufika. Ungidecidele late. No, mina ngifuna ukuprovela laba ukuthi yonikeza work kanti bengakhuluma
And better when Dara Ula from young age, when I'm
I didn't think into abala. I respect MCing. Iyo lento yenzakala about MCing ukuthi umuntu ukhuluma kakhulu ekhaya ubuya abadina and then assume ukuthi they can become MCs. That's why this career is becoming into yabo. I never thought to say into Namauchi I can do it. No.
That's why it's like a career.
It is a career. Anything that pays you, it is a career.
I will make it. Man, so when are you gonna stop it?
Stop what?
MCing.
41st.
I'm starting my own festivals, so like my plan is to have my own festivals. You understand? Listen to Corona groups. Listen to elders. Ukuhlonipha bathi uqala ukuhlakanipha ukuhlonipha uhlonipha. I won't stop. My plan is to have my own festival so that I will not suffer ngokubhukwa. So we send it 3 times a year. My biggest plan is to work 3 times a year. Wake up at 11, extend.
So at your own festival, you're gonna MC your own festival.
You didn't value all the time.
You're not hiring.
You didn't value. Yes, and it's a plan set. Obviously.
No, we can't. I'm done, bro.
You done MCing?
Yeah, officially. Did you see me MCing Jay this festive season?
No,
because I wasn't
not busy.
Yeah, but because
Hey, bonito
no, that's
zakho.
my choice.
It was your choice. How about I cancel uShimza for the 4 months?
No, I wouldn't. No. But no, not this. But I've said I got the full moon. Like guys, like approach her. You must always remember that.
Okay. Oh,
So
wow.
let's just like.
Ngeke bayithande abazukulu banadubo lento esho.
But it's true. Yeah, no, you would have cancelled the full moon for going.
So abe sengibekisa nje i-event engazi kahle ukuthi bonke kuze attend this year.
Which is?
Last year, I mean. Full moon because some tickets I'm sure bekawuthenga earlier.
No, like you obviously you have your plans, but there's people who approach you, and they approach you before you make these plans. Some of them.
Okay.
And then you're just like, no, sorry, Nyambo, I really am.
So if
I circle the wants and the needs and the drive and the.
Lapho kimi igcwele umzimba
So
wonke.
it's in your veins now.
You.
No, I think also we must always remember. Maybe it's now becoming a sexist thing, and I've always said this. We must always remember, men and women are always going to be seen in different lights. And as much as we, as women, we always like, Nandaba, don't care. I mean,
yeah. Wow, Zina. I'm turning 36 tomorrow.
No.
Wow.
As much as women, we can always say, hey, Nandaba, I don't care what people think about me or who and what and who is saying. There's a certain time as a female where there's just certain things that are just not socially acceptable. And especially I think when you get to a stage where you're like, you know, one day I wanna have a family. One day I wanna, you know, start.
You wanna have a
I
fan?
know,
No, guys.
Did you meet
But
someone new?
another thing, actually, Fazil, Zile loves having a family. That's why I put back they're so close. Like ngize ngikhalele bro, bangezi formo yokubamba nalendlela ababambene ngayo because uZile obviously azange aye ku maternity ward ayokhipha umntwana in her vagina yabo. That's why yabo.
Jesus. People thought it was enough, but okay.
Yeah, lokuthi so
azange afike kuleyo process, but she is a mother somehow. Yabo.
Yes,
Like,
also you were
so
growing
the-
up and you're a role model and you
Yes.
get to, like, you know, especially Mina in the position that I am
Mm.
at, it's impossible for me to go and stand for full moon with a mini skirt and work and say,
But you can wear
But
mkhosa.
no,
what were you wearing before?
No. Obviously, how guys?
Sakile ngicela unikezele pack lapha
Kanti uphekwa yena zenza ubhebi get manje ngoba pheka kade nikezwe.
Nigga, Masila, you save us.
At the end of the day, I always say this.
So
Sex appeal sells. You know, you need to look.
it's a man's world,
There's
bro.
There's just a different.
What did I say?
There's just a different image that comes around show business and the entertainment industry.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not saying. I mean, people are doing it. They're doing it.
Zindleko.
DJs, they are there. They're on stage. Her husband is, but her husband is also there. She's decided to. I don't want to bring up my kids in that.
Okay.
I also don't think. I want.
Is it such a
husband
bad
to
word?
How to that
understand.
later?
I don't think I want a husband to understand that I'm gigging every Saturday. I'm not at home Friday to Sunday. What is happening to the kids? Who's taking care of? I want to say that personally, I don't want to have that conversation. I don't want to be put in that awkward space. And this is not what you're show. Majority of men, and you know how I feel about men. I'm not pro men. But in a society where we want stability and we want to grow and we want families and we want to be taken care of and we have this ideal dream, men that are going to accept that lifestyle are maybe like what, 20%,
Okay.
30%.
But do you mind having do you mind having that man?
Kanjani who's going to accept it?
Yeah.
Angisekho lapho. So right now it doesn't really, because yabona leya lifestyle shame Sakile, it comes with a lot of I'm not available. Ngiphukiwe mina manje ngenze njani? Ngiyahamba mina. We are drinking. Angazi ngizobuya nini. It has a lot of coming back at 6 a.m. drunk, obviously, or intoxicated or whatnot. A lot of just being with peers most of the time. And I don't want my husband to have to accept that. I don't want to be. I've decided that I just I did MC these holidays. I did the origin, the typical Gubelo in Friday. But that's a different. It was a daytime vibe. Where it's literally just saying, here's a DJ here, here's a DJ there. Please remember that there's food available. There's that, but I'm not physically on the stage dancing, having to entertain the crowd. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So yes, I am bowing out.
I don't buy it.
I'm buying out.
Don't buy
I'm
it.
not saying I'm buying it, but I'm just saying
I don't
just
buy
love
it.
I hear teachers make good wives, by the way.
What are you talking about?
Yes, because we're so poor.
Ah.
That's why we make good wine. Because we don't have money.
But teachers make good wives.
Yeah.
Some of my uncles are married to teachers, and they're like, Mushana, if you want a wife, marry a teacher. I'm like,
because
nah,
it's a dirty world, eh? It's a dirty world,
wow, down to you, man.
Yeah, so Ahman, I know coming from me, it's not me. I shock myself every time I think about it. I don't want to raise my kids.
Sad.
There.
You don't have a kid yet.
I know I don't have kids.
She has a lot of kids, this one. You just don't
But
know.
I have a lot, and I have kids at school, and you know, guys, there's nothing pleasant about.
You don't need to have your own Venezuelans.
There's nothing nice about that.
Yeah.
There's nothing. Man, there is absolutely nothing good about that. There's nothing that makes you feel like, oh, wow,
And lapho 2000 are very vocal, man.
you know, and there's no hype.
You
And
know,
sometimes you see,
sad.
Uguti, they don't mean it maliciously. They don't mean it
Yes,
in a bad
they're
way.
happy for you.
But yes, but when you think about it, like,
Like, nah.
guys, come on. Like, I can't be teaching you Lana on Monday when Sanko goes. Yeah, but
Yeah.
so.
Bonus stage. How many?
Khona wathi ngiyakubhala mem ngikhumbula ukungimemeza ku full moon. I'm like,
I was in a plug omunye umntwana.
damn, okay.
Plug omunye umntwana.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't want to name and shame. There's an artist. And I'm called.
Yakhona sakile or bangakhona.
No,
Okay.
Got the artist that I'm called.
this was good full moon.
No, in Amsterdam.
Hey.
Coach, beg your performer man. Oh, beg your performer up.
Yeah.
So after I was done with the interview, so he saw me doing the interview no Aubrey, and he's like, no, I just spoke to Aubrey, so uzongibiza masa and he's drunk as fuck. Uzongibiza masa perform. Then ungishuthe uphinde uzonginterview ufuna ukuduma nje ngaye. Was Amsterdam by the way.
Oh, I know that guy. Yes.
But then now Mr. Squally look at Upi, Tamba as a session.
What
Come on.
Like that is not impressed. He's like, so what, Aubrey?
I didn't get the
Who no maskandi ngitshela.
Wait, I didn't see that video.
Yes,
I didn't see that
I'm
video.
not sure.
Where is it going?
Ile akhona bethu uyaza khona bethu kufuna nguwe.
Uyazosha uthatha ubo.
Siyazojumile ukubona.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
And then it goes to
This not as we just coming out come touch.
No, we were done with everything. Bese sithashene lena le bese isidingo sokuloku siphinda phinda ukuthashana.
if that nigga remembers what he said to you, then he must. There's niggas that needs to stop. I'm gonna be that. You know, like, and imagine omdala vele so. Abantu abadala yibo bathiyekela lento yenzayo, and sometimes they are right. There's niggas who need to stop, you know, and some niggas need to stop while they are young.
Stop what?
Stop this thing. Like mina nje mangisho because mina I don't know. Ngeke ngithi bantu bangithanda, ngeke ngithi I'm doing a good job, ngeke ngithi I'm good at what I do, blah blah blah, whatever. Angibukela abantu phansi.
You outshine the other MCs.
No. Hey, kodwa kusami lo mntwana lo unjani? Angase ngashana muntu.
Uzomntwana. Wow.
No, mntwana walishaba. Yabo. But there's people that need to stop because sebamoshe kakhulu futhi even ni focus yabo ayisekho in this thing. Yabo, we must just let it go.
Not impressed.
Not impressed.
Wow.
Look at you.
So you feel like Milek?
But Mr. S,
Oh,
no. Ngikhuluma ngabo.
Come on.
No, not
That'd be
Aubrey. Not Aubrey. I didn't see Aubrey Kwana's performance.
I did. You were drunk.
Oh no.
You.
Drunk MC.
Oh, sorry, intoxicated.
I was happy.
Happy
who
juice.
ubani afuna yeke? Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani afuna bayeke.
A few of them. Yabo nje iyo futhi lento yenza ukuthi the backlash that Ifumun suffered is because abantu abaningi they don't perform anywhere.
Baqala lapho sibagcina.
Balinde nje ufumu. Yabo nto leyo.
Kufanele waperform abantu bathule.
Yes, naloyo muntu oqala kufanele yeke.
Ngase ngingasashayi ngani ke nani izandla ke.
Oh gosh.
You know what I did? I then went on his page to check to see what are these niggas saying. They were busy congratulating me. And if we were to release the video that we have,
Release it on the comments.
no,
Like what are we actually congratulating here?
Yeah, exactly.
To what this?
bruh, like
you're saying,
it's so sad. Like it's so sad because anything is on there and it's a big problem in Kondo, to be honest. Drugs are a big problem, and we act like it's fine. And the guns in because we drink, not we are part of the problem somehow because we are consuming a drug. But there's a huge problem as will affect our Kondo in the next 5 years. Kondo is going down, Kondo is burning. Drugs are back. Like they are back full force. young kids are killing people, not because they want to, because of drugs. So even among musicians that are taking drugs, the talent runs. If ever you do, like one of my tracks, the talent like Shia because the talent is cool, and you're mixing a talent in Satan. Because drugs are evil. Drugs are evil. Kunzima ukukhuluma ngawo if you are in the entertainment space, because yilo iphilise elenza ukuthi abantu bakhona ukufika kuma-gig njengoba bekuyi-apology, bekuyi-month of apology uDisemba wonke. Ama-artistas overbookile because they wanna check out ama-gig guide. Abanye bangakhona ukufika kuma-show bazofika ngo-7 ekuseni bazotshela Mr. S ukuthi I'm sorry ngo-7 ekuseni ufika ngo-7 ekuseni bekayaphi nje ubani lomfana lo umaskandi ubani lo awu ulobo obhedayo awu cabanga mfethu azange abe umzukulu mfethu ngaleyo langa kwaba nje ijazi lomzukulu.
Wait, what time did he arrive?
Very late.
I think it was like 6, wasn't it? In the morning.
Yeah, you interviewed him at 7 o'clock when you interviewed him.
Manje, what was he saying sorry for? If you were 7.
If you were 7 for what? Like, imagine.
Why did he arrive at 7?
So his reason is he was he overbooked, not necessarily overbooked. No, wait. His reason was islot sakhe la bekabhukwe khona kuqala ungene at a later slot, not the one he was given originally.
So he prioritized the other for.
Yeah, so he was delayed, like politicians who are never late but always delayed.
Always delayed.
So yeah, uthi akangenanga ngeslot sakhe on the previous show, and then when he came here, bese ku late vele. Angiyazi ukuthi bekabhukwe kuphi because also you need to calculate also
they
the distance.
They overbooked themselves. They overbooked. And
because even on that day, we did the interview and then he's saying he's rushing to Engutu. He's got a gig at 10.
So here he was just showing face. Disrespectful because lento leyo islimaza abantu because abantu.
Yeah, I'm already late, but not see me.
It doesn't help.
I know it doesn't help.
Doesn't help.
But it's better than someone that sends fake photos about a car accident.
Oh,
and then
yeah.
And then says they were that.
Yeah, there's nothing jazzy about that shit.
Nothing jazzy.
Nah, nothing jazzy shit. So, he's lying. We know that one. That one was a full of
You
shit.
said the reason I'm asking for is Kata Fiengas. It's the same thing that happened Lady Smith. Lady Smith, bese lana kuthiwa babaxosha. That's the thing.
Yeah, amaphoyisa ayivala even ngo-5.
Ngo-5.
Aqala ngo-4.
Which is also
Aqala
fine.
ngo-4 Q.
No, now that's the difference. In KZN, they don't do that.
Yeah,
I know with Gukacheni, kwazo washabo 7, 8. You see?
Yes.
Mnambiti, Ukuzane arrived, I think, around 6. Because Bamlinda, Bese, he was the last artist. But Ice is Omlinda, and they waited for 3 hours. But because wafika sekahamba nalo yini MC banibani lo buhlo bungaka kuqala wafaka yena kuqala, he performed that song, then after that wangena yena yedwa amagitango makhe bewangekho washo ke naye uthi axolisa in because yena he was booked ku summer place, so he had to drive from Nelspruit to
but also
Lady Smith.
Thing two different provinces. You can't tell me when you want to get to 3 different provinces.
Nah, girl. I don't know any jets.
Yo? No, but that drive
you go back to Felendleben.
You go back to Felendleben because man, when you that's when problem starts. Behle senje umoya imali vele bayazoyithola vele bayayithola. Uyake nje ukuba nomuntu angeke sibe olihleze sonke.
Oh no, man. Baba.
No, he was lucky. He was lucky.
Who was lucky? But why are you waiting?
He did 10 shows in one day.
10.
Is it?
Yeah.
How many problems?
Really?
Nakona, it's we were told.
Oh.
No, but it's also cachet. We were told, but everyone is still speaking about it. At the end of the day, it doesn't mean it will happen that way again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, understand, was what to call to Northwest, because my soul.
Yes.
So you know it's quick. It's but
Yeah, umfana myself.
No, but also you need to strategize like that. Mawuthatha ama-shows, ama-gigs, uthathe azohamba along the
Yeah,
route.
don't disrespect some organizers because at the end of the day, our own festival, like, because we advocate for it because it's the only one we have. And iyalimala ngenxa yabantu ama-artist angahloniphi ini ama-organizer. Even yena lo besikhuluma ngayo manje ukuthi wacelwa ngo-1 o'clock ukuthi sicela i-live location. Uma kuthi uyafeyila sikhansele singakumemezi nokuthi uyeza.
Yes.